as you can tell. Hi over there and welcome back to my channel. So today is most probably Friday because that's the plan, and I'm actually gonna have kind of a series on Fridays. So basically I do have a subscription to this brand subscription box thing called Birchbox, and I do get every single month a box full of goodies that I basically somehow choose. You go on their website, your profile, choose whether you want more makeup, more hair products, more skincare, and so on and so on. Like, they do have a couple of optionality in terms of like beauty related products. And yeah, you get monthly box, and I got mine. This is my third box actually. These ones are my first and second one, and they're really lovely because you can keep them and reuse them. And I usually put myself some skincare, face sheets, masks, whatever in here. But yeah, this is really nice for storage, although the first one came a bit like smashed. Not smashed, but like, it's not smashed, it's just like a bit ruined around the edges. So fingers crossed the person who brings it to you is not gonna throw it around. But yeah, that's the point of this clip, to actually kind of like show when I get the box an inside without checking my profile. For example, with those two ones, the first one I filmed, but no, I'm not gonna post that because it's crap quality, crap lighting, everything. And the second one, they tried to deliver it on Sunday, sorry, but I wasn't home, so Birchbox considered it was already delivered, and I saw what products I had in it, and I was like, yeah, it's not gonna be a first impression. So I'm gonna start off with this box, and the plan is do a clip when I get it, and then do another clip talking about the products at the end of the month before the next box is coming. You only know one product that is gonna be in the box, because usually what happens is they do have I don't know, 2 lipstick shades in this case, and you choose one shade. If you don't choose your shade, they would send you a random color, which happened to me because I did not choose my shade because I forgot. So I know for sure I do have a lipstick in it. The rest is a mystery. So I'm gonna dive into the clip now, into the box. So we shall see what I have in here. But yeah, right, I forgot to get a scissor, and I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna open this because I can't be as well. Actually, I'm gonna get my cat ears and see if they work out. Yes, I'm opening it with my cat ears. Here we go. Ooh, and I had no idea how the box looks. I could only see a bit of the Birchbox writing over there because it was like properly closed, but that's fine. Okay, this is glittery and so Christmassy. I think this is my favorite box so far. And the glitter is actually embedded, if that's how I should explain it. It's not gonna fall apart. Let's see what it is in it actually. Okay, lots of big products, as you can tell. Let's see what ooh, I got some chocolate. Right, I already have an advent calendar, but it's Hotel Chocolat, if that's how you say it, and it's good quality chocolate. I actually got 2. So that's really, really nice of them, because the chocolate from this place, it's amazing, but it's expensive. But you know, sometimes you deserve a treat, and I usually go and get myself some, but this month no need to. This is the lipstick, I assume. Yes, Le Ritzy Cosmetics. I'm curious of the color because, like I said, I think because the pictures were not like perfect quality, and I feel with lipsticks, if you don't see them in real life, you can't tell precisely how the color is gonna turn out in real life, obviously. So it was like a pink and a red from what I saw. Let's see what they actually sent to me. This is a really interesting experience. Oh, it's a pink one. So yes, I actually did not put any lipstick on my lips because I'm gonna add this, but I don't have a mirror because I'm just gonna take my phone. I'm not a huge fan of pinks, but neither of reds, so that's why I did not choose it. And I also forgot because like I saw it, I was like I'm gonna choose it later, and I forgot. Okay, let's see if this is gonna dry down. I'm pretty sure it will. Yeah, it's starting to dry down. So until it's gonna do its thing, I'm gonna go on next and tell you more about this after it dries down, obviously. I have a big product. Ooh! Rituals, body cream. I've heard of this brand and I'm sure it's quite expensive. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like a spa treatment, like literally. It smells like very spa, kind of like a ritual thing. I mean, the name itself speaks a lot. So yeah, this is really impressive. It's 70 milliliters. Right. I mean, wasn't expecting a comb. I think that's how you call it in English. But I don't have any. And sometimes when I'm rarely trying to do like a ponytail, or like I'm trying to divide my hair in the middle, because I don't have any, it's a pain in the ass. So I could have bought it for myself, but I do appreciate it because I don't have any. So okay, what is this? Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. I thought it's an oil, to be honest. Let's see how this one smells. Smells very like herbal, like nature. Like a forest, I don't know. It smells like, you know, when you go into a park and like smelling that fresh air. That's what kind of like the vibe that gives to me. Am I crazy? Anyways, I'm actually curious what it has in it. So it's chamomile. It's chamomile. That's why. I mean, chamomile like relaxes. Obviously, it's really good for like sleeping. And that's why it kind of like reminded me of like, I don't know, fresh but like cozy. I think I've realized I'm really crap at explaining. I'm trying my best to explain as much as I can from my perspective, so, you know. Next, I got a hydrating mask, but is it for your hair? I guess it's for your hair because it's like, say your style, yeah. Percy Reed, London. Established in 2007. So this is for nourishing and deeply conditioning stressed tresses while enhancing manageability, softness and shine, manageability. Oh, to manage it. Okay, makes sense. I usually keep these ones for like traveling because they're very easy to throw in those kind of like plastic bags. But obviously I'm gonna try it until the end of the month because I'm gonna come back here and give you my final thoughts. I think this is the last one. Yes, it is the last one. So this is like a bubble sheet mask, and I actually think it's gonna like bubble. And oh, okay, I've never heard of this brand. But I'm actually curious because if it's those kind of like funky Instagrammable ones, it's gonna be interesting because I always wanted to buy myself one and I was like, oh, it's £5, £4. I'm not gonna spend my money on that because I can get like a basic one, but here we go. Birchbox gave me one, so nice. If you look in the description down below, you'll find every single product listed from the Birchbox website, and also you can find another link that basically, if you kind of like go ahead and get yourself a subscription box, you can get 5%, not 5%, £5 off, and you'll basically give me a $5 or $2 back. So it's kind of like a win-win for both of us. And this is not something that's explicitly only for myself. It is a thing that it goes on for every single Birchbox subscriber. You get a link and you can give it to your friends, families, or anyone else that can access that link to get themselves £5 off their first box. So yeah, if you're thinking of it, well, might as well just use it. So yeah, I think with Birchbox it's really amazing that you do get to test out products that you would never think you might need or like you might buy. For example, when it comes to that sheet mask, I never wanted to buy it because I was like, it's gonna be too expensive and blah blah. So I feel it kind of like makes you get out of your comfort zone, whether it's about money or like just general comfort zone of like trying and testing out new things. The thing with Birchbox is it's only £10 a month, and I don't think that's a lot because you do get a lot of products in it. And for example, you pay £10 and the lipstick is £20. If I'm looking in the leaflet, I can see exactly what are the prices of each product. So, and by the way, it dried down and it does not soak my life out of the lips. Like it's not drying at all, which is amazing. Hopefully it's gonna stay put a long time. When it comes to the sheet mask, it's $7.50, which is quite expensive if you ask me. I will never buy a mask that is $7.50. The Rituals body cream, obviously we got like a smaller size, but the big size, and I assume is like, I have no idea, it looks quite big. It's actually £20, so you would have buy this with like £10, let's say, because Rituals is quite an kind of like expensive-ish brand. It's expensive, £20, it's a lot for me. Balance Me, like the micellar water, it's £16 for 180 milliliters, and we got 30 mils, so quite expensive too. So I'm really curious what's doing that makes it so costly. Also, the hair mask is £22, but that's for 173 mils, and we got a sample of 25 mils. So yeah, I mean, they're not the cheapest products, and although you're not getting the full size, you at least get to try it. If you like it, then you'll buy the full size. If not, then you're not gonna waste £22. And the chocolate and the hair comb, that are a plus, because if you think about it, 5 products and 2 more, which is amazing. And apparently it was worth £5. I mean, I'm gonna dig into that chocolate, to be honest. What is it? You know what? I'm happy I can't share this with you because it's amazing. This one has like jam raspberry in it. Oh my god. Right. That is it. I'm hoping this was helpful, and obviously it was just an unboxing. But when it comes to discussing the products themselves, I'm gonna post a clip around the end of December, so stay tuned for that one, or maybe the beginning of January. Around that time, I'm gonna post my thoughts and opinion on the product, and I'm gonna try to use them as much as I can on a day-to-day basis. Obviously, not all of them can work like that because I don't have enough sheet masks or, you know, hair masks, but the rest of them, I think they're well enough quantity to try them out for a month and a bit. But yeah, so far so good. I do hope you're gonna subscribe and stay close to my channel. It is free, so you don't have to pay anything if you decide to unsubscribe, just saying. And yeah, stay tuned for my thoughts on the actual products and also makeup tutorials. So yeah, I do hope you had a lovely time watching me, and I will see you next time.